Welcome to our cannery. Today, I'll show you exactly how canned fish is made, from the ocean to the shelf. Don't forget to subscribe.
Pre-cooking removes excess oil and moisture before canning.
Make sure you get all the dark spots.
Yeah, I see it. This batch is pretty good.
Liquid is added to preserve flavor and ensure a long shelf life.
Every can is sterilized under pressure and checked for a perfect seal.
And that's how quality canned fish is made. Slayton, free, ready for shipping worldwide.